Welcome to Basic Uses English, and this is English Speaking Channel. Today we will talk about something very special. We will talk about cats and their nature. Cats are beautiful animals. They are soft, quiet, and clean. They are very different from dogs. Cats are calm and peaceful. Some people say cats are selfish, but that is not true. Cats are like people. Yes, cats' nature is like human nature. Cats like their own space, just like people. Cats do not always want noise or too much attention. They like silence. They like calm places. Cats walk slowly. They do not rush. They enjoy every step. When a cat looks at you, it does not bark or jump. It just watches. It thinks. It studies your face. It tries to understand you. Cats are very smart. They do not do things quickly. They wait and watch. Just like some people. Some people do not speak much. They sit quietly. They listen. Cats are like that. Cats are not loud. They do not always meow. Sometimes they do not say anything at all. But they feel everything. They feel love. They feel fear. They feel peace. Cats are very good at hiding their feelings. But they do feel. Like people, they can be happy, sad, scared, or curious. Sometimes a cat sits alone in a corner. It does not mean the cat is angry. It just means the cat needs time. People also need time. People also sit alone sometimes. Cats do not always play. Sometimes they just sleep. They sleep a lot. But it is not because they are lazy. It is because they save energy. When they need to run, they run fast. They run fast. When they need to jump, they jump high. Like people, cats know when to act and when to rest. Cats are clean. They always lick their body to stay clean. They do not need a bath every day. They do not like dirt. They do not like bad smells. People are also like that. They like to stay clean. They like nice smells. Cats teach us to take care of ourselves. A cat also knows how to say no. If a cat does not want to come to you, it will not come. If you call it loudly, it may walk away. But if you sit quietly, if you stay calm, the cat may come near you. The cat will look at you. It will sit beside you. It may put its head on your leg. It may rub your hand. That is how cats show love. They do not jump or shout. They come quietly. They touch you softly. Just like people who are shy. Some people do not say, "I love you," loudly. But they care deeply. Cats also care. But in a soft way. Some cats sit near the door when you leave. They wait. When you come home, they come to the door. They do not run. But they wait there. They look at you. They blink their eyes slowly. That slow blink is a cat's smile. It means the cat is happy to see you. Just like people smile when they meet someone they like. Cats also smile. But in their own way. Cats are also very curious. They like to explore. They go to the kitchen. They go under the bed. They jump on the table. They smell everything. They touch things with their paws. They want to know what is there. They want to understand. Like people. People are also curious. They ask questions. They look around. They search. Cats and people are the same in this way. They both want to learn. Sometimes cats do not like change. If you bring a new chair, the cat may not sit on it at first. If you bring a new person to the house, the cat may hide. It takes time. Cats need to feel safe. They do not like loud music or sudden movement. People are also like that. Some people feel scared in a new place. Some people do not talk to strangers. But they touch things with their paws. They want to know what is there. They want to understand. Like people. People are also curious. They ask questions. They look around. They search. Cats and people are the same in this way. They both want to learn. Sometimes cats do not like change. If you bring a new chair, the cat may not sit on it at first. If you bring a new person to the house, the cat may hide. It takes time. Cats need to feel safe. They do not like loud music or sudden movement. People are also like that. Some people feel scared in a new place. Some people do not talk to strangers. But when they feel safe, they open up. Cats are the same. Give them love, give them peace, and they will show their true nature. Cats are also very brave. If they see a mouse, they catch it. If they hear a noise, they look. If they feel danger, they protect their babies. Cats may look soft, but they are strong inside. Like many people. People who are gentle outside, are sometimes the strongest inside. Cats are very good mothers. When they have kittens, they take care of them. They clean them. They feed them. They keep them warm. If someone comes near, they become alert. They protect their little ones. Just like human mothers. Cats can be teachers too. They teach their babies how to walk, how to jump, how to catch food. Slowly, the kittens learn. Just like human children learn from their parents. Cats are full of love. But they love differently. They do not show it by wagging tails. They show it by being near you, by watching you, by blinking at you, by rubbing against you. Cats love quietly. But their love is deep. Some people say cats are lonely. But cats are never really lonely. They enjoy their own company. They are happy when they are alone. But they are also happy with the people they trust. Just like people. Some people love to be alone. But they also enjoy time with close friends. Cats have a strong memory. They remember faces. They remember voices. If you are kind to a cat,